Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. It is fantastic to have you here because in this little segment, we're going to be talking about the 3M Versaflo PAPR system that we have in front of us at the table that I've been using for a number of years and have been loving, and we are now selling at the Alec Steele Co. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about what is contained in the kit that we are offering. I'm also going to tell you why it was one of the best investments that I ever made in the workshop when I first got mine. It contains the M200 Versaflo helmet. It has itself a little protective peel layer on here. You're going to go ahead and want to peel that right off and then use one of the 10 screen protectors that are included in the kit and apply them over it. Peel off that sticky boy, wrap it around and stick it on. Highly recommend using the screen protectors that are included. Also included are 2 3M earmuffs that attach to the helmet itself. On the inside of the earmuff cup is an X or an O and a corresponding X and O on the helmet. There are 2 faint little marks where the earmuffs attach. You go ahead and drill them through. You then plop the included screws in and screw them down. Do the same on the other side. Ta-da! You now got a helmet that works and has attached hearing protection. This is fantastic, and it makes life so easy, especially with the rest of it, because it's useless without the rest of it. So the way this works is you have this belt pack powered by a battery. Also included is the charger. The battery powers a fan, which is inside here, and it draws air through a spark arrestor. Included are 2 in the kit, one of our 10 pre-filters included in the kit, and then finally through the main filter itself. These drop in there, main filter goes on top, and the whole assembly just simply clicks into place. You clip the belt pack onto you take the hose, you take the helmet, you clip the hose onto the helmet, put the helmet on your head, give it the old press and hold, you pull the tab, down you go, pivot the earmuffs down, push them in, and you're now protected. The comfort of working in this is unmatched. It is lightweight. You have cool air blowing down on your face, so if it's a hot day, you stay nice and cool. You have the face protection of this visor, some head protection, earmuffs. It is utterly fantastic. And you want to take it off? It's no big deal. Pull the tube off, take the belt off, turn the unit off, and that is it, folks. I'm very serious when I say when I got my PAPR system, it was life-changing in the workshop. It meant that I actually wore protective equipment, which is the most important thing of all. This is a luxury setup. You get this if you're grinding every single day and you want to be more comfortable while you're doing it. It's not giving you significant degrees of extra protection than the standard half mask, glasses, and earmuffs are giving you, but it's going to make you enjoy the time in the grinding room a whole lot more. And don't fret about how long it takes to put on. It really isn't an issue at all. Once you get used to it, you can go ahead and throw this thing on in no time at all. Ta-da! I really hope you guys check out this unit. We got the kit on the website. We're really excited to see if you guys enjoy this product, so I'd love it if you'd check it out. I'd love it if you would invest in your health. You don't need something as high-end as this, but you are certainly going to enjoy it. And if you don't, we're always here to help. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.